What's the best monitoring system for your Duramax? Let's dive into the all-new FASS Connect monitoring system. All right, so we got the FASS Connect here. Let's go ahead and unbox it. So it has a super nice box. Everything is super well laid out with this nice packaging here. You've got your install manual right here, how to use it on this nice card. Like I said, you've got your standalone unit right here. This is it. Power, ground, and then connect your sensors. So super simple there. And then you've got your gauge. Standard thread end gauge. And then you've got your power and ground for this. That's all. You don't need to be running a ton of wires through the cab. So you've got your gauge, you've got the computer piece, and on this kit, we actually opted for all of the sensors. So we've got the install harness right here, we've got the EGT sensor right here, we've got two pressure sensors, and then we've got the temperature sensor. So all these sensors, you just hook them right up directly to this little computer. Super simple, easy thread-on connection, and you're good to go.